Look, man, I'm gonna be straight with you. Have you ever noticed that the exact same eye contact, the exact same look, makes a 25-year-old guy seem confident, but you seem creepy? Hurts to hear it, I know, but it's the truth. I've been working with men like you for the past 7 years. Over 40, good career, respectable life. But when it comes to dating or even just basic social interactions, something's off. The problem isn't your age, brother. The problem is 3 small mistakes in your eye contact that women instantly pick up on and unconsciously decide to avoid you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what those 3 mistakes are and give you such simple solutions that you can start using them today. Stick around till the end, because the 3rd mistake is so subtle, you've probably never noticed it in your entire life, but it's the biggest game changer. Let's start with a real story. Last month, I had a client, I won't say his name, privacy matters. He's 46, successful businessman, got divorced 3 years ago. Now he wants to get back into the dating scene. He told me, I don't get it. When I talk to a woman, everything's fine at first, but then suddenly they get uncomfortable. What am I doing wrong? I observed him at a cafe. In just 10 minutes, I knew exactly what the problem was. He was standing in line behind a woman. She glanced back once. He smiled and just kept staring. 5 seconds, 6 seconds. She uncomfortably looked away, but he didn't even realize it. He thought, I'm just being friendly. But she thought, why is this guy staring like that? And that's the tragedy, brother. When you were younger, you got these things automatically, but now society sees you through a different lens. Not fair, but that's reality. So you need to be smarter, more aware. Let me show you how. Mistake number 1. You don't know how long you're actually staring. Listen, this isn't your fault. Your brain is literally tricking you. There was a psychological study. Researchers found that most people think they're making eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds. But in reality, they're staring for 6 to 8 seconds. Double, almost twice as long. And here's the problem. When a woman sees an older man continuously staring for more than 3 seconds, her brain automatically goes into alert mode. Why? Evolution. Thousands of years of survival instinct. She's thinking, what does this person want? Why so much attention? And in that moment, you've already lost. Now listen to the fix. I'm going to give you a rule that I follow myself, that I teach all my clients. The 2-second rule. Super simple. First time making eye contact, maximum 2 seconds. Then naturally look somewhere else. Next to her, at the menu board, at your coffee, anywhere. But here's the magic part. If she looks at you again, that's your green light. Then you make eye contact again. Again for 2 seconds. This creates an unspoken conversation, a rhythm. But if you stare for 5 to 6 seconds the first time, game over. Test this today. In any interaction, grocery store, coffee shop, elevator, wherever, just 2 seconds. Then look away. You'll be shocked at how different the response is. Mistake number 2. Your eye contact is way too intense. Look, I know what you're thinking. Intense? What does that even mean? I'm just looking. Yeah, but how you're looking makes all the difference. Let me tell you a secret I've learned from years of observation. When you're nervous, your body goes into fight or flight mode. Your pupils dilate slightly, you blink less, and your gaze becomes fixed, completely still. And that looks exactly like how a predator stares at prey. Sounds harsh, I know, but that's the biological reality. Women feel this subconsciously. They can't put it into words exactly, but they know something's off. Now, here's the fix. I'm going to teach you a technique I call soft eyes. Step 1, peripheral vision. When you look into someone's eyes, don't laser focus only on their eyes. Keep their whole face in your vision. Their hair, forehead, cheeks, everything. This automatically softens your gaze. Step 2, conscious blinking. I know this sounds weird, but trust me, when you're nervous, you forget to blink. So deliberately blink a bit more. once every 4 to 5 seconds. Keep it natural. Step 3. Triangle technique. Imagine a triangle, her left eye, right eye, and mouth. Your gaze subtly moves between these 3 points. This makes your eye contact dynamic and way less threatening. Tonight, stand in front of a mirror. Practice with yourself for 5 minutes. Or pull up a YouTube video and practice eye contact with that person. I guarantee you, after 3 days of practice, it'll become automatic. Now we get to the biggest mistake. And I'm going to be completely straight about this. Mistake number 3. You can't read what kind of eye contact is appropriate in which situation. And this is the mistake 90% of older men make. Look, brother, let me tell you an uncomfortable truth. When you were 25 years old, you could look at a woman in an empty parking lot, and she might have felt flattered. Now you're 45. In that same situation, she's gonna feel scared. Fair? Absolutely not. Reality? Yes. Society judges us older men by a different standard. Whether we like it or not, that's the system. So we need to be 10 times more careful. Do I hate this? Of course, but I don't deny reality. Now listen to what you need to do. I'm giving you a mental checklist. Remember this every single time. Green light zones, where eye contact plus approach is safe. Social gatherings, cafes, and restaurants with people around. Daytime public spaces and professional environments. Yellow light zones. Be extra careful. Gym, public transport, or when you're alone and she's alone. Red light zones. Avoid prolonged eye contact completely. Empty or isolated places if she's wearing headphones or reading a book, or if she already looks uncomfortable. Golden rule. If in doubt, do less, not more. Let your ego take a hit. No problem. That's way better than making another human being uncomfortable. This is about respect, brother. About self-awareness. Now let's look at 2 real scenarios. Scenario: coffee shop, Monday morning. Don't do it like this. You're in line. In front of you is an attractive woman. She's looking at her phone. You look at her. She glances once, gives a polite smile. You think, oh, she smiled. She's interested. So you keep staring, hoping she'll look again. She doesn't look again, but you still glance at her every 10 to 15 seconds. After getting her order, she quickly leaves. What happened? You made her uncomfortable. She thought you were monitoring her. Do it like this. Same situation. You look at her once, 2 seconds max. Give a genuine smile, then look at your phone or the menu board. If she looks at you again, perfect. Then brief eye contact again, maybe a casual comment. Light, no pressure, respectful. If she doesn't engage, totally fine. You get your coffee, go about your day. Zero awkwardness. What's the key difference? In the first scenario, you were outcome focused. In the second scenario, you were respectful. I showed interest, but the decision is hers. And that subtle shift takes you from creepy to confident. So brother, we've covered a lot today. Let's recap real quick. Mistake number 1, you don't know how long you're staring. Fix 2-second rule. Mistake number 2, your eye contact is too intense. Fix soft eyes. Mistake number 3, you can't read context. Fix mental checklist, green, yellow, red zones. But there's something bigger than these techniques I want to tell you. Look, I know how you're feeling. Maybe you're divorced. Maybe you want to start dating again after years. But somewhere you're stuck. People are avoiding you. You don't understand why. Your age is not your enemy. Your lack of awareness is your enemy. And today, in these 10 minutes, you've become aware. You've learned things that 95% of men will never know. Are you going to close this video and keep making the same mistakes? Or are you going to start applying these things today? Your action steps. 1. Tonight, stand in front of a mirror. Practice soft eye contact for 5 minutes. 2. Tomorrow, in any social interaction, apply the 2-second rule. Just once. 3. This week, keep context awareness. Ask yourself, is my eye contact appropriate in this situation? And then tell me in the comments, which mistake hit home the most for you? Are you gonna try these starting today? If you really want to stay on this journey, then subscribe to the Human Behavior Psychology channel. This isn't just one video, this is a series. Next week, I'm gonna talk to you about body language. Week after that, conversation skills, then voice tonality, then approach strategies. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and stay with me on this journey. If this video helped you, smash that like button and share it. Remember, brother, confidence isn't just for the young. Confidence is the result of awareness plus action. Today, you became aware. Now all that's left is action. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next video. Stay aware, stay respectful, stay confident. This is Human Behavior Psychology, and we're just getting started. And yeah, I've dropped a free checklist in the description below. The Confident Eye Contact Cheat Sheet. Download it and keep it handy.